right. Stevie, that's a crazy harness that you're wearing. What are you out here doing today?
Skydiving.
You are skydiving, man. That sounds crazy. What brought you out here to skydive?
I just wanted to do something that's thrilling.
Yeah.
For once.
We're going to do that today, I promise. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. A little nervous.
Okay, good. That way it's not just me. We're going to get in this airplane, go up to 14,000 feet, jump out and do 120 miles an hour at the ground. Before we do you have any famous last words or final confessions?
Nope. I made sure my emergency contact knows exactly what to do.
Nice. He's taking it all to the grave. We're not going to need those last
I already
words.
planned everything out. I'm good.
Perfect. We are coming back. You don't have to worry about that. Let's go have some fun, man. Stevie, we are at the plane. How are you feeling?
I'm nervous.
Yeah?
I was feeling a little indifferent earlier, but now I'm nervous for real.
Just wait till the plane door opens, man. Most people aren't used to flying with the airplane door open.
Yeah.
Unless you fly Delta, you might be ready for this. All right, man. Let's get in, get up, and get out. Let's go have some fun. Probably nice and tight, huh?
Yeah, real tight. Safe.
Steve, we're flying a parachute, bro. How do you feel?
That was fucking, I don't even know what to say. It was crazy.
Yep. That is the correct response.
Crazy.
There are no words. This is my office. It does have the best views. Let's check out what this parachute can do, man. Right, high, left, and down towards the yeah. Skydiving, man. How do you feel?
It was fucking insane. Never doing that shit again.
Never? Oh, next question already answered.
Never doing that shit again. But it was fun. I had a good time.
Well, there's only 1% of the population that ever even comes to try this.
Really?
So you are part of a select few that does get to do it.
Nice.
You're the reason I got to skydive today. So thank you for jumping with Skydive Colorado Springs.
Thank
Come
you.
see us again.
Yeah.